Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Tonkeeper wallet. Tonkeeper is the easiest way to store, send, and receive Toncoin on the open network. For that, firstly, make sure you have the application on your device. Now here you can see two options: create new wallet and import existing wallet. If you don't have your Tonkeeper wallet, simply tap on the first option. But we are about to log in, so we will tap on the second option. Now here you can see various options. You need to tap on the first one, which is existing wallet. Now here you need to enter the 24 secret recovery words that were given to you while you created your wallet. After you are done entering your recovery phrase, you can simply tap on continue. Remember that you can't log into your account unless you don't have your recovery phrase. Now tap on continue. Now here you need to create yourself a new passcode. And now you can see that you are logged into your Tonkeeper wallet. And this is how easily you can log into your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.